Today we will see the relation between rational number, whole number, natural number and polynomials. So let's start. We know the definition of a rational number. So rational number is in the form of p by q, where p and q both are integers. So here is the direct relation between rational number and integer. So one relation is here. Now come to the whole number and natural number. We all know that whole number is a countable number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So this kind of number is called whole number. And natural number. Natural number starts from 0 and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And the integers which contain negative numbers also, that is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So if we will see, integers contain 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So these numbers starts from 0 are natural number, and these countable numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, it start from here, is whole number. So integers also contain whole number and natural number. It's including whole number and natural number. So rational number is also directly related with whole number and natural number, because integers are including whole number and natural number. Now come to polynomials. As we know, polynomials include variable and non-variables number, that is constant. We can say x plus 2 is example of polynomial, because here is variable and here is constant. Also we can say this 4 is also a polynomial, because this is constant. So this is constant polynomial. So these kind of number, I can say x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 is also a rational number, because it is in the form of p by q and both are integers. If x is equal to 1, then it will be 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2, and this is integer. 3 is integer and 2 is integer. So in this way, polynomial is also related with rational number. I hope this video will help you in relating all these numbers with itself, with a rational number. So if you like the video, please press the like button, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell button. Thank you. Have a nice day.